Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Let's check out this KEDJMY Hawaiian shirt here. This is pretty cool. Nice little colors there. Definitely a Hawaiian flair to it. All right, so this has a short sleeve and features a little button up front here. Fairly nice. Let's try this on real quick and we'll let you know what I think about it. Alright, so, well, it's fairly comfortable. This is 100% polyester, so it feels almost, feels pretty silky actually. I think it fits nicely. Got the large size, pretty comfortable, very lightweight, and it feels like breathable too, so I don't feel like it's gonna make me all sweaty in here. But nice shirt. I like the length of the sleeve. Sometimes you get some shirts and the sleeves are like too short or like too long. These are like about perfect. I think like mid bicep is perfect. So I have just a nice, comfortable, casual shirt, and I like it a lot. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.